Hello, I'm Carlo Barel di Sant'Albano, Chairman of the Board and CEO, EMEA for Cushman and Wakefield. It is my pleasure to offer my perspective on key trends impacting real estate in the region and on our business performance in 2012. 2012 was a challenging year across the region. Overall, our EMEA 2012 gross revenues were down marginally by 2.4% on 2011 to US dollars 424 million. Despite the macroeconomic challenges, we remained focused on executing our strategy in the region. We made significant investments in core markets such as London, Germany, Russia, and Turkey, bringing in top talent and restructuring leadership teams. Across EMEA, in 2012, we recruited a total of 306 employees. Our strongest performing countries were the Netherlands, Belgium, Czech Republic, and Sweden, with France and Italy also putting in a robust performance. We continue to invest in and perform strongly in valuation and advisory and corporate occupier and investor services, which saw gross revenues increase 5.7% and 3.5% respectively. These are important growth areas for the firm and important sources of recurring income for the business. Leasing remained on par with 2011, as the office sector continued to experience weaker occupational demand, whilst retail performed particularly well in both the UK and France compared to 2011. Overall, European investment markets saw modest growth in trading activity against the backdrop of marked uncertainty, which characterized the Eurozone for much of the year. It was no surprise that investors remained cautious and focused on core markets. Our own capital markets performance was flat as investors maintained a wait-and-see position, particularly in the second half of the year. There were nonetheless signs of a broadening in demand as investors sought out more opportunities. This, in fact, bodes well for 2013, particularly given the increased supply coming from the accelerated pace of bank and debt restructuring, which is sure to provide more opportunities as investors look further up the risk curve. The foreseeable future will undoubtedly bring its challenges, and there is much still to be done to ensure stability in the Eurozone. However, we have got off to a strong start in 2013, notably in the UK, and whilst we remain cautious, we are already reaping the benefits of the significant changes and investment made to our business last year. And we remain focused on driving growth in line with our plan. Thank you.